Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you the recipe of Aloo Bhujia, which is very easy and simple to make. So let's take a look at the recipe. So I have taken a bowl here and two medium-sized boiled potatoes. Now with the help of a grater, grate these potatoes, and in this I am adding 1.5 cup of besan. I have sifted this besan. Then add red chilli powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, garam masala, aamchur powder, chaat masala, salt and 2 teaspoons of oil. Now mix it well and knead a soft dough. If required, then you can add water also to knead the dough. Now grease 1 teaspoon oil and knead to a soft dough. I have a machine like this. It is easily available in the market, and I have a small hole shaped mold like this. Now open the lower portion and keep this mold in this and close it. Now open the upper portion, and in this upper portion we will add the dough. I have greased this mold and am adding the dough in this and then close the lid. Now press and spread the bhujia in hot oil, forming a circle like this. Do not overlap it. First fry it on one side, then flip over, then fry the other side till it turns golden and crisp. In this way, make all the bhujias and take it out on a tissue paper so that the oil absorbs. And lastly, break the aloo bhujia into pieces, and it serves best with tea. Hope you all like this video. Share with your family and friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.